Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at an absolute gem called Llamatron by Jeff Minter. Now this was originally on ST format cover disc 24, which is where I played this. Now on the original disc, this is the half meg copy, and I'm going to play the 1 meg copy because I've now got a 1040 STE, which I didn't have back in the day. And basically this is a list of everything you do. You have to collect creatures, sheeps, camels, llamas. You are a llama, you're the Terminator Llamatron. You have to shoot all the bad beasts and collect a lot of power-ups on the way. The heart draws the animal to you. There you go with the extra life in a circle, the warp's 5 levels, cigar, higher firepower, tomato is a smart bomb, the Pink Floyd album cover is extra points, and I've had a few goals on this today. I've got to level 70 plus, which is the first I've gonna get. So just a reminder to anyone that has epilepsy, please do not watch this video. There's a lot of flashing, a lot of light, and it's a psychedelic game, as Jeff Minter likes to make them. So yeah, this was the ST format magazine which Jeff Minter was on. He had his top 10, top 20 I think in this, and Llamatron was in there. It is based on Robotron, which I've played recently, but it was really difficult. So this is a great upgrade of Robotron, a lot better than it. This is his homage to Williams, is it his name? And all Jeff Minter's games are colourful, so this is one of the top ones that I played back in the day, and I know a lot of Atari ST owners enjoy this. So I will be playing with a droid. You can play single player, but droid, it's always helpful to have the droid around. Makes you feel like you're Luke Skywalker. And that does look like R2-D2, so let's get into it. This is me. You have got auto fire, so you don't have to worry about the fire. On this rectangle thing, this is basically invincibility for a very brief period of time. Now on this 1 meg version, the sound effects are a lot clearer. I mean, do I think the original version that you get with the disc is any worse because of not having all the sound effects? I don't think so. Get all them goodies and extra lives. Yeah, so it is, the levels go very fast. There is 100 levels. Don't think I ever completed this back in the day. That tomato is a smart bomb. There's a Pink Floyd cover album for extra points. Brains, grab the beasties. Yeah, you've got all these brains now. These sort of eyes with tank shapes. So yeah, there's a lot of great, weird and wonderful stuff. Here we go, you've got space invaded creatures now. You've got a spiky dinosaur there. Oh, and I just walked into that square. So the game is very forgiving early on, and you can get very far into it, which is nice for a shooter, because a lot of shooters are so hard you can't really get far, but this is amazing to play. Yeah, I had the cigar, so I had the better firepower because of that. The cigar makes your white projectile bullets go brown. There you go, you got now Attack of the Killer Plant Pots. What was that film called with the plant pot in? Shop of Horrors, was it? And you got this umbrella which you need to mount to get off the level. I want to walk into these men. You can't kill these men, you can stun them. And get away from them. destroyed, it's very helpful. Come on, you. Let's get these cow heads onto the front. Cow heads. Or sheep heads, should I say. They were sheep heads, not cow heads. There we go, the famous cherries as you get with Pac-Man. I feel like that's always a Pac-Man homage when you get them cherries. Let's get this sheep. Goat. Bonus. 1,000 points. In the top left you've got your score, followed by your lives, followed by the level that you're on. Just walked into the laser and you can hear him saying oh yeah, and if you press the key you can actually get the swear words, which was probably funny back in the day, but as a grown up, is it as funny? Not much for swearing, so yeah, this laser you can actually bounce back up if you hit it. Oh, 16 ton squasher, so stay away from that. Well, let's get that extra life if I can. Oh, got it, just in time. Smiley faces. And then, yeah, so these square-shaped purple spaceships, if you don't destroy them straight away, they release some guys that can get you. Got dangerous televisions chasing you as well, so careful of the TV, it can corrupt your mind, especially in this game. And if you get that heart, you can get the animals to come towards you. Or the beasties. Got a bonus on that. Now 1991, when Jeff Minter released this game, it was pretty much the end of the Atari ST era. This is a herd situation, you've got to collect all the animals. So I think this, in the magazine they actually slashed this to 299, and originally it was oh, missed some extra lives there. It was, I think, 400 and something at the start, and then it went down to 299, but yeah, it was pretty much the end of the Atari. Now this is a shareware game. Originally he didn't have a commercial gain on it, so with it being a shareware game he suggested you give him £5, and he actually I think I read on Wikipedia he didn't actually make very much money back at the time when he released this. So I think out of all the people that registered that were Atari users, he made close to 4,000, it says on Wikipedia. If that's accurate, I don't know if anyone knows. So out of the hundreds of thousands of us that actually played this beautiful shooter, due to the ST format magazine, majority of us didn't actually give the £5, and you got, I think, Andy's Attack, one of his other games, if you did it. This is a full game on the disc. And then when it was, this is originally on the Atari ST, which was great, so it was ahead of the other computers. They did get ported to the Amiga and the PC. Now on the Amiga, I think money wise he made about 8 grand. So in the bigger picture, 12 grand from this game isn't a lot, because he probably would have got the full price, £25. Now if I had good pocket money back then, I don't think I ever owned a £25 game. There's always the budget releases to try and get more games for me. I would have definitely happily paid £25 back in the day for this. Because it is a beautiful shooter. And one of the best Atari ST games. And it was nice that he chose to make it on the Atari. But got here? Let's try and get that extra life. Oh, missed it. Now there's a toilet level. Now the toilet level is very important because you can get lots of extra lives on the toilet level. There we go, killer bananas now. What's this? This is a herd of waves, so we got to get all the creatures. A few bananas left there. Pushed by the 16 tons. Let's get away from the 16 tons there first. And yeah, these guys remind me of Berserk. I've not played Berserk for a very long time. I did have a Atari 2600 in my younger days. Younger days, I mean before I was 10. Oh, no. Okay. Like I said, the toilet levels is very important to getting extra lives. I mean, it's not like you don't have your fair share of extra lives. But once the toilet is destroyed, it gives out plops, and if you destroy the plops, or turds, or shit, or poo, or whatever you call it, you will get a bundle of extra lives. And here we have it. Bundle of extra lives there, which was nice on level 29. Oh no, this computer screen has bits of lines and stuff which I'm not happy about when I'm recording. And I have tried a couple of other monitors, but it says something about the resolution needed to be correct, and pretty much don't know what to do there, so we'll hopefully invest in another monitor at some point. But as long as this is clear enough for everyone to see. Absolutely stunning game. I mean, here come the Space Invaders again. Walk straight into that arrow from its bold implant pot. Oops. Yeah, I think we've got 4 lasers now, so it gets a bit more tricky. And this is a herd wave, so you pretty much do need all. All the animals. beast look like the ones out of Ghostbusters, the film, when they sat on top of the perches on the tower. Let's try and get that. There we go. Are these guys meant to be Pac-Mans? Got the tongue sticking out. They do look a bit like Pac-Man. Where's the laser? Okay, level 40. These green slimy bits remind me of Slimer from the Ghostbusters. These teacups are quite strong. Oh, I've got rid of that last one. Again, this is the herd wave, so I need to get all the sheep and the lambs. Nice to get the shield there. done with that smart bomb guy. It's a bit tough to get away from. Yeah, I sometimes struggle on this level. If you don't get off it straight away, it does get difficult. So I gotta kill the tomatoes now. Oh, don't get too close to me. I was wanting that extra life and took my eyes off the bone. Get these floating towels on. A lot of rain. There we go. Oh, the berserk guy's got me. Oh, wanted that shield. Okay, 55. Level 55. Without a continue, so that wasn't bad going. Not as good as my last go. I can't see myself getting further than my last go. And you got these flying joint llama heads now. You can see left and right there. They're like wings. It's brilliant, this auto fire, because it just means you don't have to worry about your what's that? Oh, one of them joysticks. I've not seen the toilet again. Could do with seeing the toilet. sheep head now fly sideways, so I need to stay below them or above them. Am I gonna get off level 63 or not?
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Now things get tougher. We got these spaceships. Too many bullets. Walked into that. There we have it. Absolutely amazing. Llamatron. There's the top score table. What an amazing game. Yeah, very far from my top score of 920,000. But yeah, that's amazing. It's been so much fun playing this game, returning to it. I did play this a lot when I was younger, and it's still fun now. And 70 plus is the level that I've got to. And I'm sure everyone who's played Llamatron had lots of fun with this. You could play 2-player as well. You could team up, which I used to with my brother, but amazing game. And a big thank you to my wife for letting me use her monitor, which I've been using ever since I've been recording footage for this channel on the Atari basement. So have a nice day and see you for the next one. Bye now.